I'm going on the way to Menong. I will hiking Menong, a mountain again, another mountain, but it's far away from my place where I live. But I like that mountain. Now I will give you that story about that mountain. Okay, this is on the way, but this is just from my home. I live from my home to that mountain, but will takes maybe one hour, maybe around one hour, over 1 hour. Okay, first reaching here. Okay, this is the small road. This one is very only one wide road. This one. Okay, but it's somebody take go this one. Okay, now we are coming to a little bit wider road. This one, the road I usually come every day. I come to this road every day because this the way to Qishan also. Okay, the mountain Qishan is near to my home. But now because I'm interested to go to another mountain now. I will give you some scare in that mountain. Okay, will be very nice. This is we call here is like a small village. This one, okay, this way is small village because I don't like to go to the traffics, to the main road. Main road is so traffic, so I usually come to the small road. Okay, in order to avoid the traffics like that. But it's a little bit long. But now here is the people is innovation the road. They are construct for the newest road here. You see both side because they make this road wider again. Next time if already ready, I will show you again. This is they just started to renovate this road. Okay, makes more wide because the look now is more people, more car, more vehicle is passing this way now, this road now. So I will show you this in this direction. You will see my university is here where I'm teaching. Okay, this is in front of this one is the university where I'm teaching here. Okay, you will see later. Is in front of this one because today I'm holiday, so I have time to have a travel, give you some different story of life. Okay, so you will see here. That is front of this one is my university where I'm teaching here. This university I'm teaching. Okay, that is university. Okay, now I'm coming to another road. Okay, so we reach here. This could be a this is road also wide. We can say this one is wide. In this time because people all is in the office, they are working, so it's few vehicle in the streets. But you know, in the morning 7:30 is a lot of people, is traffic. But here this road is fine, it's okay because this is not main road. It's small road for the Taiwan people here. This is the we call it countryside. This one, but still the road is very wide also. Okay, we can see this. I like this road because this road is really wide. Okay, but we need to control the speed. The speed here only 50. Okay, you cannot over than 50. If you over than 50, you get a ticket. Okay, you need to pay the fine. Okay. Okay. So this is train technology already. There is the left side was the train development technology. Okay, so let's So this is the up is the highway. We are now the under highway. Here is a lot of roads, so we don't have a lot of traffic actually. This road is many road here. We can go from different way in one destination. You can find a lot of road here. It's like that. You can have a many choice. If you like traffic, or you like a crowded, or you like a many shop, you can find by you in one destination. You can go in that way. Okay, you can find. So but in the morning sometimes I go to another road because I want to shopping, or I want to go to market to get some fruit and vegetable. Okay. Here we have a lot of which is called pineapple trees. Okay, a lot of pineapple trees here. Okay, very famous pineapple trees. Okay, now we will come to another main road now in front here. Okay, main road here. So okay, I will reach here first. I will continue my story another time. Okay, bye.